Emotional boundaries. Emotional boundaries are like an invisible fence that surrounds your feelings and emotions. Just like how we have personal space for our bodies, we also have personal space for our feelings. These boundaries help us choose when and how to share our thoughts and feelings with others. It is important to understand and respect them. To respect our emotional boundaries, we first need to understand our feelings. We all experience different emotions like happiness, sadness, anger, and more. Sometimes you might not even know what we are feeling. It is okay to feel that way, but it is very important to try and identify our emotions. Once we understand our feelings, we can decide when and how to share them with others. Sharing our feelings can help us feel better, and it can also help others understand us. Sometimes we might need to set boundaries with others. If someone is making you uncomfortable or hurting your feelings, it is okay to let them know that you need some space. If your friend wants to know a secret, but you don't feel comfortable sharing, it is okay to say, I can't tell you that. It is private. If you are feeling sad or upset and someone asks what's wrong, you can say, I'm not ready to talk about it yet, but thank you for asking. But remember, you get to choose who you want to share your emotions with. It is your decision. It is important to respect the boundaries of others too. When we pry into their feelings or make them share something they are not comfortable with, they may get angry. Everyone has their own comfort level, and it is important to be kind and considerate of that. You can say, I need some time to myself right now, or I don't want to talk about this right now. Emotional boundaries are all about understanding and respecting our own feelings and the feelings of others. It is about knowing when and how to share our emotions while respecting the boundaries of others, too. Just as it is important to set our own boundaries, it is equally important to respect other people's boundaries. When someone tells you their boundary, be sure to listen and respect it. Remember, it is okay to have your emotions, and it is okay to decide when and how to share them with others.